Hey, so y'all know, as of about 2 weeks ago, y'all been seeing me drink this drink called Sway Hydration, you know what I mean? And man, for the last 2 weeks, I ain't gonna lie, like I said, if you know, I just got surgery, you know what I'm saying? I just did another lipo, you know what I mean? I had the whole internet thinking that I actually got taller. Now, you know, the crazy thing about me doing what I'm doing, I'm a marketing king. This is why, you know, people tap in with me, you know what I'm saying? I got every marketing blog on lock. I got literally, you know, podcasts. I have everything that you looking for if you trying to grow on lock, basically, you feel me? So when it comes to trying to market yourself, man, you can try to be the best marketer you want to be or you think you can be, but that ain't the answer. You're always going to need help to be able to level yourself up. So let's say if you got money, right, but you're not famous. A crazy conversation we just had on the boat was, you know, you can have millions of dollars, but what's worth more to people nowadays? And to me, to be honest, I've been getting money for a long time. If you know me, I've been getting money since 2009, 2010. And literally, if you know my story, I was getting girls and famous guys with way less money than me was taking my girls. So if you know this, you know what I mean? I feel like if you got money, you have the power to have both. You can have fame and money, because some people would actually rock with a person who has the fame because they feel like in their mind that they're famous, so they must have put in more hard work. They must have put more money. They must have did this, that to get to that level. So that was my whole idea of saying, okay, let me work on getting famous. I started off 2010. I started working on, okay, let me start doing music maybe. I started doing music. When I started doing music, you know, I started seeing people recognize me. So I got addicted to that. I had money, but I'm like, damn, nobody really knows me. How could I be known? Fast forward to 2024, let's just say. I figured the more I can get on blogs, the more I can do this, the more I can do that, the more I can get around celebrities, the more I can get around bigger entrepreneurs, the more I can connect myself onto somebody that's famous, possibly the more money I can make. So if you one of these entrepreneurs out here that's selling courses, you're selling ebooks, or if you're somebody that wants to sell more of your product or get your business seen, you might got the money and you might got the business, but you're missing the marketing. And the reason why your business is not where it needs to be at is because you don't have the right marketing that you need to get to the next level. How do I get the right marketing? You might have to take a chunk of money and give it to somebody as a celebrity, you know what I mean? And figure out, okay, how could I attach myself onto you? If you can figure out how to attach yourself onto a celebrity, what will happen is you can connect yourself with the celebrity and then have the celebrity talking about your business. Then you will start seeing the income grow. You'll start seeing the business grow. You will be knocking out two birds in one stone because he's a celebrity, she's a celebrity. This is your business. You guys connect. Now you are getting famous and making money at the same time. That is the real secret to life. A lot of y'all do not try to, like, okay, this is what a lot of people do. They say, oh man, what's your fee? You tell them the fee, they be like, well, I don't know if that's too much, or why is it, man, give me a few months, or never tap in after a few months, or man, I want to pay for a story promo, man, I just want to get my business out there. First of all, if you go on a celebrity story, most likely if I'm a follower, I'm following the celebrity. So if you pay for promo, I mean, I might go look at it, but I don't care. The bigger finesse is paying a little bit of extra, having the celebrity shout out the video personally. That way you take the video and actually put it on your page and run ads behind the video. This is how you really make the sack. You know what I mean? Ask a celebrity, okay, hey, he want 10 bands for a personalized video, 20 bands, it's worth it, because you can take that same. What if he becomes a billionaire tomorrow? You still have that video and you can run a lot of ads on that video for your business, for your clothing brand, for your makeup line, hairline, skincare, whatever it is, you can make a lot of money. And that's how you have to start thinking. You have to start thinking like a business people, because a lot of y'all holding y'all money close to you and you're gonna spend it anyway. You're gonna spend it on a girl, you're gonna spend it on a trip, you're gonna spend it on clothes, you're gonna spend it on jewelry. Instead, you should have spent it on a relationship, because that relationship, you're going to end up watching that celebrity later on, wishing that you were locked more in with that celebrity. So how a lot of y'all have to start thinking is like, okay, all these people that I'm watching daily on social media, I'm on Instagram, I'm strolling. Damn, who could I lock in? Who would take me in? Who would genuinely rock out with me? Who will really put me on? Who will show me how to get these primaries? Who will show me how to get these trade lines? Who will show me how to get $1 million in funding? And in this video, I'm gonna show y'all how to get $1 million in funding. But before I show you that, you're gonna have to tap in on my Patreon, you know what I mean? Because I can't give y'all that free. So if you're watching this video right now, what I want you to do is go to patreon.com/BandClanUniversity. BandClanUniversity. And I'm gonna finish showing y'all step by step how to take 10 banking accounts and how to get $1 million with 10 banking accounts. Literally, long as it's 3 years of age, and long as you put these right type of primaries on there, you know what I mean, and do what I tell you to do step by step, you'll be able to get $1 million. And a lot of y'all probably ain't even gonna believe it, but guess what? Go to that Patreon, sign up for that Patreon, get in a tier. Once you go to my Patreon, you actually have to sign up for the tier, because I'm not finna give you $1 million worth of game for the low. So if y'all looking for like quick exits out and stuff like that, no, I'm not doing that. You have to go to the Patreon right now to get this game. But literally, you wondering why people got 20 LLCs. You wondering why all these people are getting so rich so fast. You wondering why are the banks giving people all this money? It's because you don't know the right person and you don't know the right information. People like me know the right information. People like me get paid. People like me is going to continue to make money with or without you. So why not get in where you fit in? Now, like I just broke that down to y'all, go to that Patreon. Stop what y'all doing right now. This is what I want y'all to do. Stop what you're doing right now. You can pause the video. You feel me? Pause the video and actually go to patreon.com/BandClanUniversity. Sign up, go on the tier. I suggest go to the best top tier, because if you're in the top tier, most likely me and you can get on the phone. We can have one-on-one meetings. We can do Zoom calls. I can teach you more. You know what I mean? Let me teach you more. Stop watching a baller just ball out all day, every day. Actually get with the baller. You know what I mean? And if you don't got a lot of money, that's the whole reason why I'm offering a Patreon for a smaller scale of people, just in case you don't got the 50s and the 75,000s and 100,000s. Because the people that have that, oh, I'm walking their hand. I'm holding their hand to the million. Yeah, come on, I'm holding your hand to the million. You feel me? So at the end of the day, I'm looking at it like this. You get on a Patreon, you start a relationship. This is how life works. You gotta get in a relationship with somebody. You gotta become friends with somebody. You know what I mean? This is your best way. Man, this nigga behind this, he getting cars. Clearly he knows something that I need to know. Let me get on there, let me become a loyal subscriber. You know what I mean? Let me show him I rock out with him. Let me comment on his pictures. Let me do more, because if you do more, that's when you stand out. That's when you get seen. That's how you gonna be able to say, okay, damn, Kevo gotta rock with me. I know he's seen me. I know it. I'm on his page every day. Right now, man, we in a $7-8 million house right now, man. We in a movie room right now, man. As you see, big ass TV on the wall. You know what I'm saying? We chilling. I'm being humble. I ain't even showing, you know, y'all all the how. I'm not trying to flex on y'all. I wanna help y'all. I wanna help you. I like helping people. I'm blessed because I bless others. You know what I mean? As long as you do right by me, I'm gonna do right by you, man. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, like I said, go to that Patreon if you really want, because I've been giving a lot of free game on YouTube for years. I done told y'all about primaries when they first came out, told y'all about trade lines when they first came, all that. You know what I mean? I've been telling y'all, and people like, damn, it's people that I go up to today in 2024 that don't even know what a trade line is. So by y'all knowing that, I'm just basically saying, go to the Patreon, let's build a friendship, let's build a relationship. You know what I'm saying? Now, this the kicker right here. Now, all y'all be in my inbox asking, how do I fix my credit? How do I fix my credit? Okay, I'm about to tell y'all how you fix your credit right now. So, as far as with fixing your credit, you gotta realize, everybody wanna fix their credit very fast. Now, what we came out with is an M2 software. It's called Metro2BandClan.com. By Metro 2, you gotta realize that you don't have to do anything. It's a whole AI software that will literally clean your credit, and you'll be able to fix other people's credit as well, which that's a complete business to actually make passive income. Now, a lot of y'all working jobs right now, and I'm pretty sure you got the money to pay a month so that you can start, but you really do have to focus to be able to start cleaning people's credit, because it's not gonna be easy, but at least you can do it. So you might start off with 2 clients. First, I suggest that you fix people that's in your family's credit first. You start off with a few people in your family first, and then you show proof. You take the proof and you put the proof online to start showing people, look, I fixed my daddy credit, my mama credit, my cousin credit. Once people see that, which that's not gonna be nothing, what they're gonna do is say, damn, he can fix my credit too. So then what you would do is you would shoot your prices up. So, okay, the software is $149, $147, something like that a month, right? But you can say, I want $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, $6,000. It just depends on how much stuff is on their credit, how much bad stuff is on their credit. So let's just say if it's somebody got $70,000 worth of debt, $100,000 worth of debt. Shit, I need 10 bands, right? 10, 20 bands. But guess who's gonna do it for you? the Metro 2 BANDClan.com software, which is an AI that's going to clean your credit for you. Now, I know you're probably thinking like, how the hell is a AI software going to clean the credit for you? Okay, because most people who clean credit literally has to put out notes themselves. They have to go do this. They got to mail the notes and all this. Man, listen, I'm lazy. Yeah, I'm lazy. So guess what that means? That means that I don't want to sit and mail no letters. I don't want to sit and do none of that, man. You know what I'm saying? So I say this. I say, you know what? Let me make it to the point where you guys don't have to do none of that, right? Also, yeah, y'all hear the fireworks right now, man. Like, this is life. This is how life supposed to be. Y'all see the gym right here? Y'all see the pool right here? Yeah, TV right there, whatever. But I don't watch TV like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm only trying to learn some education shit. That's all I be about. So, at the end of the day, realize this. Like I just told y'all, I'm lazy, right? I don't want to have to send out no letters. So, I just say, okay, well, let me create something that can do everything for you in a program. So when you get clients, you're literally just putting them on and then letting the AI do everything for you. You might get 20 clients. You just gotta press the button. You feel me? But I feel like if you watching this, I feel like you should be living like this. I feel like you should be in this type of stuff. I feel like no matter what's going on, you should be able to get yourself in the best homes in the world, driving the best cars in the world, doing whatever you want daily, going on the best trips, hanging with people who are like you, that's making a whole lot of money, because this is not easy, but it's possible if people stop thinking everything is like a scam, or stop thinking that, oh, at the end of the day, you missing out. I'm not missing out. I'm going to continue to make money, and the people around me are going to continue to make money, and my friends are going to continue to make money, and their friends are going to continue to make money. But you're going to be the person that's procrastinating because you thinking everything is not this or not that, or this is too much, or like at the end of the day, man, most people that's really cheap when it comes to investing in themselves and financial literacy is broke, because they think everything is a scam except eating the food that's going to kill you later, or working a job knowing you getting scammed, knowing the company is making billions of dollars and paying you pennies, but you don't want to invest into a person who's actually giving you secrets and sauce that you know that you can get to the next level. Like, come on, man. Like I said, if you want to know more information and you want me to hold your hand and walk you through this Metro 2, I actually have a Telegram. Everything gonna be in my description. You know what I mean? That way, if you go to Metro2BANDClan.com, you're gonna see reviews on there. You know what I'm saying? But I got a Telegram. Also, let's get into other things. Now, y'all know I'm into everything, man. I also have a WAP. You know what I'm saying? A sports betting WAP. You know what I'm saying? Now, a lot of sports bettors, you know, they do their thing and stuff like that. But you know me, I go find the best of the best, and I put them all on the team. And by me putting them all on the team, guess what happens? I say, damn, you good, you good, you good? All right, cool. Y'all join the team, and let's help people get money. Let's help them flip 50 to 600. Let's help them flip 100 to 1,000. Let's help them flip 200 to 5,000 type shit. So if you want to get into the sports betting field, link in the description. Go to my WAP. Get in the Telegram group. I do free plays all day, man. Free plays, man. You know what I'm saying? And if you really want to lock in and really want to get some money, man, of course you got to pay like you pay every other sports bettor. But we got the sauce on that. Literally everything I got the sauce on, man. So make sure y'all tap in with that. You feel me? Like I said, get in with that Metro 2. Don't miss out on that. That is literally getting put on easily, because if you might work a job or whatever, you tired of working, or you tired of like getting crumbs. You want to go ahead and start making $5,000 to $10,000 to $15,000 a week, depending on how hard you hustle. Because you make an Instagram, you set up your credit page through Instagram. Once you set up your credit page through Instagram, you know what I'm saying, you go get some flyers or something on Fiverr, and shit, let the Metro 2 do the rest of the cleaning. And now you're getting good reviews from people. You got the people making videos for you saying, yeah, so-and-so, he just cleaned my credit, or she just cleaned my credit. That's free game right there. It's like, what is you doing? Then the Patreon, I got a whole university. I got all the game on there. So, man, just tap in, man. Listen, we in Cabo, man. We doing what we doing. We eating the best. We living the best, man. We doing what it take, man. Right now, y'all see I got on the all Adidas, man. I'm finna go work out, man. You know what I'm saying? I got to stay disciplined no matter what. So I'm going to get up in this gym, man. I hope y'all just think about what I just told y'all. Like I said, all the programs I just put y'all on, if you miss it, that's on you. But I'm in a Patreon all the time. If you want to build a better friendship, relationship with me, lock in with that. The Metro 2, if you want to start cleaning people's credit, you want to start taking stuff off your credit because you can't get what you can't get the car you want or the credit card you want, and you want to take an inquiry off, you want to take something off bad, let the damn AI software do it. Why are you worried about cleaning your credit when you could be having that clean your credit or having that clean somebody else's credit around you? Because guess what? You can have good credit, but do your girl got good credit? So hook her onto the AI software and clean her credit or your boy's credit, and y'all can all be on a corporation and make money together, start a business together. Like I said, I got a lot of game to help y'all on that Patreon, so get on that Patreon. I'm gone.